Hey, I'm going to give you a little rundown on how to fix an old Nintendo game. This is a Super Nintendo game, and it is no longer saving. The memory's not working on it. So what you're going to need is some kind of knife like this, a CR2032 battery holder. When you get it, make sure that the legs that get soldered onto the circuit board are the right spacing to fit into the holes on the circuit board. Of course, you're going to need your 2032 battery, and you're going to need soldering iron. So, first thing you got to do is, actually I forgot one thing, very important, reverse Torx socket. You can get these at Harbor Freight. Inverse Torx, see, it's like a torque head, but backwards. You know, they use these things to like hold transmissions onto BMWs, well, much bigger ones, but that's what you need. I mean, maybe there's some kind of special tool for Nintendos, but this is the same thing basically. So you have to carve out the hole here. You see, I made the hole wider, and then from there, see, you'll be able to take this out. You'll be able to get this in here because it's just, you know, way too big to get out in there unless you widen that hole. So once you get that out, then you just pop it open. It's pretty self-explanatory, and then you'll have this battery here. It's a regular old CR2032 battery. Imagine they're probably all CR2032s. And what you want to do is, if you can see on there, see it says plus 3V, plus 3 volts. So this is the positive side of the battery. What I did here is I just made a little mark. That's where the positive contact is going to go, and that's the negative. So what you're going to do is, if you have a battery holder like this one, this is the part that comes in contact with the totally flat side of the battery. The positive side is what you're going to want to put over here. So this one is going to go in this, and basically you just solder that in, and that's the whole thing. You're ready to go.